In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Shopify Refresh theme. We'll walk through the core tools inside the theme editor so you can confidently rearrange, add, and style sections across your store, all without touching any code. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and click on Online Store. At the top, you'll see your current theme, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll see your theme library. Locate the Refresh theme, whether it's set as your current theme or sitting in the library. On the right side of that theme, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a live preview of your store on the right, and on the left, you'll see a list of sections and blocks. To rearrange any section or block, hover over it, then click and drag it up or down to where you want it. To delete a section or block, hover over it until you see a trash icon on the right, then click it. If you're not sure you want to remove something completely, you can just hide it instead. Hover over the section or block, click the eye icon to hide it, and click the eye again if you want to show it later. Some sections contain blocks inside them. To see these, click the small right-pointing arrow beside the section name. That will expand the section so you can see all of its blocks, along with an Add Block button. Click Add Block to choose from the available block types that can be used in that specific section. You can also add brand new sections. Click Add Section in the left panel and choose from the available section types. Keep in mind what you can add under the header, in the main template area, or in the footer may be slightly different. To customize the content and style of any section or block, simply click on it. For example, if you click a featured collection section, you'll be able to change which collection is displayed, adjust the number of products, edit the heading text and size, control the description and its style, and adjust layout options, product card settings, mobile layout, padding, and even add custom CSS. The exact options will vary depending on which section or block you're editing. If you want to adjust something across your whole theme, look to the far left sidebar and find the gear icon for theme settings. Here you can control your logo, colors, typography, layout, animations, buttons, variant pills, inputs, product cards, collection cards, blog cards, content containers, media, drop-downs, pop-ups, and more. Scroll through this panel to review all global settings. To edit a different page, go to the top of the editor and look for the page selector, which is usually set to homepage by default. Click it, and a drop-down will appear where you can choose another page, like products, then default product. When you select a different template, the preview on the right updates to that specific page, while the sections and blocks for that template remain listed on the left. After you've made all your changes, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This publishes your customizations to your live store.